So in this last little video of our build, our Land Rover 130 build, just showing you the last couple of things that weren't in the other videos. If I left anything out, you guys want to know anything, let us know. But yeah, it's a couple of things about the winch, our light system, a couple of cool things at the back. So yeah, hope you guys love this episode, so let's get into it. In the front here, we are running a 9,000 pound worn winch. Got Super 12 line on here, it's 10 mil. And as for the lighting, upgraded front Defender lights. Got two IPF spotlights, they came with the Landy, they work pretty well, so I kept them on. And then we have a light bar. So you got to actually have a cover on, because some places in South Africa and Namibia, other African countries, they love to give you a fine if your lights are above your bonnet. Boom! There she is. She's super bright. Two of these and you can play a soccer game, no problem, or a football game. Happy days. So one more thing on the lights at the back. We've got a spotlight. It's just easy for reversing and stuff at night. All the lights work off the dashboard. And then on the side, we've got two side spots. Sounds a bit weird though, but if you're looking for game in the bush, it's a bit irritating looking with a torch the whole time outside your window, what's in the bushes. So we added on two spotlights. They're my old spotlights, they came off my other Landy, and they're actually from my uncle back from the 1980s. So we've got them on the side, and this is what it looks like. There we go, two Hella spotlights, just for looking for game and stuff in the bushes when it's dark. And obviously also got them covered. Two other cool things we've actually got in our roof rack are two tables. One's on the other side being used at the moment. Super easy, they fold up the same. Boom. Love them. Stores away quick, easy to get out, so cool. So this was one of the last things we pretty much installed into the Landy. We got this in Pretoria. It's a Wilson Pro 500, A500. It improves our cell phone reception. Got a couple of different aerials. So we've got a bigger aerial, it's a bit of a mission to put the cable out. Apparently it can pick up a cell phone tower about 25 k's away. So this is just our basic setup for inside the car. It's got a little mini aerial on the roof. So we're still figuring out what's the best setup to get the optimum reception from this device. This is like a WeBoost's cousin. Apparently it's a little bit better, but yeah, we're still in the testing phase. So inside here we've got a Victron Phoenix 1200 watt inverter, gives us 240 volts from 12 volts, and on the side here we've got a CB radio, and then we've got another 4x4 channel radio. It's used in South Africa. So there's about 8 channels on that, and that's our communication. Here's the water pump we installed. It's 12 volt. It produces 6.5 liters per minute. If I flick a little switch, connect my hose, flick a little switch, happy days. So this is pretty cool. That's out of our bottom tank. That's a 80-90 liter water tank, plus we've got a 72 here which we've already put in our videos, but that's our little pump setup. It works like a charm. We love it. Switch it off, disconnect, and pretty much walk away.
Are we now bragging about my side?
Yeah. So very simply, here's our gas cooker, 2-plate gas cooker. Both our bottles are loose. One's on the roof rack at the rear, the other one's loose in the car. It's an easy, simple, quick release. Close it up. Chuck it here. She sits with a little hole in here. Piece of Velcro, a little strap, and there she's good to go. So last but not least, this is probably one of our favorites. Jenna pushed for this very hard, and I was like, yeah, cool, but man, whatever. At the end of the day, I actually probably like this more than her. We got this built by Bespoke 4x4 in Pretoria. Thanks Rob, thanks Martin, you guys did an awesome job. This is our pantry slide. Boom, spices, oils, salts, peanut butter, honey, whatever you smoke, whatever you like, it's in there. Other one, we've got cereals, salt, all other goodies upstairs. Right on the top here, we've got our pans, simply just with a little clip. Chopping board on the side, whoop whoop, and a paper towel rolled holder, and our own little African touch at the end. So that wraps up the last of our episode of our Land Rover 130 build. Took about 1.5 years. That's most of the stuff we've done. We've done quite a bit more. So if you've got any questions or comments, leave them for us. We'll definitely get back to you and answer them as good as we can. So what's next? Next, we're going to be releasing our first video of the start of our adventure as life on the road as nomads. We're going to be leaving Pretoria, South Africa, and we're going to be heading for Swaziland. So stay tuned for our next episode. Like us, subscribe, we'd love to hear from you, and ring that little bell.
Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join our adventure.